네, 할머니는 재미있으세요?
있으세요?
있으세요.
The breakdown. Okay? But why do we say 재미있으세요? 스누피 할머니 키가 크세요?
네, 할머니는 크세요.
할머니 크세요. 할머니 재미있으세요? 아니면 심각하세요?
네, 할머니는 재미있으세요?
있으세요?
있으세요.
재미있으세요. Good job, good job. Okay, let me show you the breakdown. Okay. So the dictionary form is 재미있다. Okay.
Okay.
Get rid of da, then that's the stem. This is the whole line depending on the formula. But why do we say 재미있으세요? Because we don't like consonants in a row together. So is the shock absorber. Without 재미, double su here and another su here, two consonants are crowded.
So is added to kind of buffer the word.
Yes, too many consonant situations. Like we like to see vowel, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant, like that.
Thank you so much for learning Korean with me. See you next time. 안녕, 다음에 만나요.